Hello everybody, this is Nick Simpson from Just Traffic Profit, and it is approximately 6:30 in the morning. Thanks for watching our video here today, guys. And I wanted just to read some things to you this morning. I was always an early riser, happy the man who is. Every morning day comes to him with a virgin's love, full of bloom and freshness. The youth of nature is contagious, like the gladness of a happy child. Who has the fame to be an early riser may sleep till noon, by James Howell, quote from him. One who gets up early has more time to accomplish his tasks as compared to a late riser. He is blessed with good health, beauty, and sharp intellect. Sam Veda. Sadness fills the wings of the morning. Out of the heart of darkness comes the light. Jean Giraudoux. The sun is but a morning star. Henry David Thoreau. Never work before breakfast. If you have to work before breakfast, eat your breakfast first. Josh Billings. The sun has never caught me in bed in 50 years. That's what Thomas Jefferson said, guys. These are just some quotes I was reading about early rising, guys. I don't like getting up early, but I do. I understand that there's things to be done that can be done before my day starts, and I get them out of the way. What are you doing at 6:30 in the morning? Are you moving towards your goals? Are you building your business? Are you reading motivational quotes? It's up to you guys. You could be sleeping, or you can be moving towards what you want. I don't really have a lot to say, guys. I just wanted to let you know I'm up and at it. I'm getting things going early this morning. I'm building my business. I'm communicating with people in different time zones that have been up for a while. And I think that if you guys are serious about building an online business, or even if you're not doing an online business, if you guys are just looking for a better way, you need to do the things that other people are not doing. Because if you do what other folks do, you get what other folks have. And most of us don't want that. We want something better for ourselves. Okay. Get up. Wake up. Do something. Action produces action, guys. If you can get up and start doing something, something's going to happen. If you do something good's probably going to happen. So, become an early riser, even if you're not naturally one. There's a lot of wealth lost by lazy. Unfortunately, that's just a simple truth, guys. I'm not pointing fingers at anybody. I'm just telling you how it is. So, on that note, good morning to you, and hopefully you guys are up at the same hour building your dreams and goals and moving towards what you want to do with your life. That's all I have, guys. Check our website out, justtrafficprofit.com. Should be a link up there to the right for you. Nick Simpson. And thanks for watching our video. If you'd like, give us some stars down below. Subscribe to us over there on the right. We'd love for you to watch the rest of our videos we have. And thanks for watching.